Hello, today I'm making red kidney beans with walnuts. It's a traditional Georgian dish and many people asked me for this recipe and it is absolutely delicious. So for that you need of course red kidney beans completely cooked. I have a video on bean bread on my channel and that explains, and I explain there how to cook kidney beans. So I'll show you how they look. I already cooked them and you can see they're completely mushable. No hard pieces are left, so completely mushable between your fingers. That means that beans are completely done and they should be cooked without salt. For about 2 cups of kidney beans, I need 1 onion, that much of garlic, but it's about 6 or 7, you can do 8 cloves of garlic. But of walnuts should be about 1 cup of walnuts. And now spices. This is just red pepper flakes. This is marigold powder, 1 teaspoon. And this is half teaspoon of cumin powder. This is fenugreek, 1 teaspoon, and there are 2 teaspoons of cilantro seed powder. These 3 ingredients could be replaced with the khmeli suneli, which is available on Amazon. So now all garlic and walnuts go in a food processor and with a knife, and I just process them together. Done. It doesn't have to be the paste. There should be pieces of walnuts still fillable. See, that's how I like it in the kidney beans with the walnuts. Now onions should be finely chopped. I have to start sauteing onions in the oil, and also what traditionally my mother used for kidney beans with walnuts are a little bit of blue basil, dry blue basil, and a little bit of thyme, but Georgian thyme, it's called kondari. I'm not mentioning it now because not everybody has access to these herbs, but traditionally if you have, you can use blue basil, very little dry blue basil, and a little bit of kondari we call. This is a thyme, Georgian thyme. On the pan with the oil, I'm using avocado oil. I'm going to saute my onion. My onions are sauteed and now I'm adding here cooked kidney beans directly into the 2 onions. So now with the potato masher, I'm going to mash it a little bit. This step is exactly the same as for Lobiani, as bean bread. Now I'm adding a little bit of water from the beans, otherwise it will be very, very dry. And now I'm continuing mashing. You don't have to mash all of them, but it should be like a with the little beans left unmashed, with a little bit. And now it's time to salt them because they were cooked without salt. 1 whole, just like that. 1.5 teaspoons, about 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and red pepper flakes. You can cook kidney beans with a chili pepper in it, in a pot. That's another way of making it hot and spicy. And now I'm adding all my spices, all of them go in here, and walnuts with garlic as well, and everything should be heated through. I just like a lot of walnuts, but you can use less walnuts, of course. It's just my personal preference. You can use a half cup of walnuts for 2 cups of kidney beans. And I will see by consistency, I might add a little bit more water. My heat is still on here. And beans are done. See, I have a little bit unmushed, which is perfectly fine. See, it should be like a paste consistency. Kidney beans with walnuts are ready. Thank you for watching. Bye.